I'm always craving an adventure, a new experience to fulfill myself with memories I know will last a lifetime. Storytelling has always been an asset in my life that shaped me into the person I am today, sparking creativity and imagination throughout any situation I'm in, and at the same time has always been something I've longed to be able to do myself so I could have the opportunity to impact people the same way that I've been impacted by it my entire life. So when I was told that we were going to Israel, I knew that this was my chance to make something of it, to help the memories last and show people the beautiful land of my family through my eyes. So this is it, my Israel story.
You love food?
Yeah.
And Israel is the food.
Israel.
I love the food.
You like food?
I love food. I love Israel.